Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the two-factor authentication on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the profile section at the lower left corner of the screen and click to the three lines at the upper right corner, and new click to the settings and privacy section, and go to the account center option, the first option, and in the account settings section you can find the password and security section, and tap to the second option, the two-factor authentication. Select the profile, and you can select the security method, the authentication app, the text message, or the WhatsApp message, and tap to the next button, and you can find the different instructions. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.